guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm super excited because today is my October DIY challenge. I host these every month and this was a free theme. It was just a DIY and you could do whatever kind of DIY you want. You could be Thanksgiving, it could have been Halloween, or any fallish type of DIY. So mine is going to be a Dollar Tree DIY again, because I have had some stuff that I wanted to use up from dollar store, and I'm going to be making a kind of a fall Thanksgiving one as well as a Halloween one. So for the first one, I am going to be using this sign, some of this raffia, some of this ribbon. I'm just gonna take this bow apart, and I'm going to use a bamboo stick that I had from my yard, and then some hot glue. And you will also need an X-Acto knife and a ruler. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut up this sign. So as I mentioned, this is a challenge that I'm hosting, so there will be a playlist. So make sure you check out all the other participants that are participating in this challenge. I am looking forward to seeing what everyone creates. Just trying to shave off some of the stuff that you can see from here. I'm just going to freehand it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of them. So now I'm gonna take my stick and right on the bottom, I'm just going to bunch up this raffia. And use that rope that I just cut off just to tie it up. I'm gonna see if I'll need the ribbon or not. Just going to cut so there's no folds. Okay, and now for over here, I'm just going to take those signs and glue them around. So I'm gonna go with Happy Fall first. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how that looks up against a wall. For my next DIY, I have picked up these candle plates from Dollar Tree, 2 of them, as well as these skull heads, and I have picked up 3 of them. So I just want to remove all the stickers. Okay, so I'm going to glue my very first head right in here. So you see, And you want to be fairly generous with the hot glue. So I made a hole. Just cutting an opening. I am going to shove one of these in here. I'm gonna put, actually, I'm going to cut a hole on the bottom as well. Okay, so I'm gonna shove it through, but I'm gonna stop it right there. Ton of hot glue. Put it down. So now I'm gonna put some hot glue on the bottom here. And shove another head through. There we go. And repeat the same process for the third head. Cut it first. I'm going to try and cut this off. Now that I know how much height I need. Going to add a generous amount of hot glue. There we go. I'm gonna let this dry for a couple minutes and then I'm going to spray paint the whole thing. I'm just using Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Painter's Touch Satin paint, spray paint. Maybe I didn't wait long enough. That's okay. I'm just going to finish spray painting the rest and then I'm gonna finish gluing that one back on. I'll show you what it looks when it's all done. Here it is. This one, I love it. I think it turned out so cute. Just something different for your front porch too, or in your home as a Thanksgiving and fall decor, even for Halloween. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed these two DIYs. I think they're perfect for fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. So maybe not this one. This one's more Halloween, but the other one's definitely for both. So I'd like to thank everybody that participated in this challenge, and those of you that took the time to watch it. Make sure to check out the playlist. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.